Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, August 21st, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we finally had a really good day. I'll tell you, this has been rough this August, but things really fell into place today, and of course, I'm very pleased. Surprisingly, not too much is going on with the Dow. So this is really unrelated to the Dow action. The Dow has had a good move here. You can see in the past 4 days, pretty steady there, but it may be kind of petering out a little up here. It officially ended up 64 points today. But the good news is we came into the day with quite a few positions, and we really increased our equity on those positions. We ended up closing out over $17,000 on the positions we had, and out of it looks like 11 12 positions, we only had one position that was negative. Everything else was positive. And so we closed out with over $17,000 in closed out trades. Then we got into 11 new positions. A little bit weak there. 4 were positive and 7 were negative. But the thing is, we carried one position from the previous day, and that was really, really strong, and I will show you that in a second. So we ended up carrying positive $7,000 going into tomorrow. So closed out 17 positive, carrying 7,000 positive going into tomorrow. That's really a good day. I'll show you 3 of the stocks. This first one I showed you yesterday, and it had good follow through today. This is SMRT Steinmart Incorporated, and we had bought this yesterday, second hour. It kept going very nicely, closed very nicely and then it pops up there just beautifully for our exit. And we take $8,000 out of that baby. And you can see this is a perfect exit here, right at the top of the market for this move. And it kind of trailed off after that. So we are out of Steinmart with $8,000 in profits. And then I'll show you a couple ones we got into today. This first one isn't great, but it's still good. This is Labu, which is the biotech bull, and we bought that right out of the gate this morning. It kept going very nicely there, and we are holding positive $1,800 in open trade equity in Labu. But now I'll show you the big one, the big surprise. Oh, here, I'm sorry, I didn't get this. Okay, there we go. This is Gevo Incorporated. I think it's Gevo, not Jevo. Gevo, yeah, it's Gevo Incorporated, GEVO. And we had bought this yesterday. Looks like about the third hour. Didn't do too much, but it really exploded today to the top side. This is keeping us in for a third day in Gevo. And this move was so strong that we are holding $9,300. That's $9,300 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So that was just looks like a great trade. I mean, we're not out of it yet. Let's hope we get a little more follow through tomorrow, we get out of this and take our profits. Anyway, great day. Trader Bob is happy, and I will be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.